Boom! Yeah, you don't know Nizzle Entertainment at it again. Yeah, they are with the pretty girl. Shh.
Somebody clean like me. Well, I'm a dad and marine RG. I make you think when I drop 50. Every the club 50. 50!
They are with the pretty girl. Shy. Yeah, man, you don't know. Yeah, man, she have her own YouTube channel too. Someone wanna go over there and go check it out. It named Glamour Shy. Yes, man, YouTube. Make sure you tune into the cat thing because I think I go and she do hair, nails. No, nails. Yeah, she do the eyebrows up here. Yeah, man, everything she do on her thing, man. Yeah, I'm gonna get her forward.
It's Glamour Shy representing for Nizzle Entertainment TV. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends and family. Thank you. Alright guys, so today we're going to do a challenge. We are going to do the Never Have I Ever challenge with the great Nizzle, as you all may know. Hey!
Oh, feels so good. Yeah, man, so we're about to start, right?
Yep.
So I'm getting the first question, right?
Correct.
John wants to die.
So the first question goes to Nizzle. So Nizzle, the first question is, have you ever dressed like the opposite sex? You hear me. The opposite sex, have you ever dressed like a female?
Nah, we not depend them thing there, daddy. We not depend them thing there. Think straight like an arrow.
I understand.
No, pan a big woman thing still, we not really discriminate and style nobody still, but you don't know, now go down the road, you know what I mean? Yeah, because, you know, born pan the other side. Born pan the other side.
Not even in the movies, yo?
In the movies?
Think way back.
Alright, you see before certain actor come on the scene, I would have challenge that role played. But the man them kind of put the thing on a different level where them not even make the thing look like a hot them hot the thing, like the man them are the thing. So you see if they did a hot the thing now, if you say alright, I do some little gimmicks thing, then me say alright, I'm gonna take on the role and play it because Eddie Murphy do it and he do a very good job. I have a lot of American actors. Tyler Perry did it and you know, but in Jamaica, you know, yeah, if you touch that little line there, people will call you that.
Yeah, we dead.
Yeah. But you don't know, so we not kill nobody over them things still because, you know, they make their own decision. So pretty good, do I have a question for you, eh?
Yeah.
Have you ever flown in a helicopter?
No. Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. But hopefully though.
But hopefully.
Yes.
So you would be appreciative of an experience like that though?
Definitely. As long as it's not, you know, like when you're really damaged and I have to fly you to the hospital. As long as it's not on that occasion. But otherwise, definitely.
Yeah, because the occasion they see you.
Yeah.
Another person jump on a capture their head for KPH but never make it out alive. So as you say, Shy, we wouldn't want to experience it with you. But I would love to fly on a helicopter.
So Nizzle, I know you probably did this. Have you ever lied about your age?
Yes.
I know.
Yeah, it's moment of truth. Yeah, I have because a lot of times person have never ever guessed my age right. Never. All I am.
40.
I feel like me tell you already, man.
40. No, you never tell me, man. What?
Me tell you already, man. You understand? But a lot of person do not. I've never guessed my age. I'll find. Because they say I never look 40.
No, you know, look 40. You did actually tell me that time.
Have you ever wanted to be a superhero?
Always. Right now, I remember just want to fly, yo. Just fly. You stress out, you just get up and just fly away.
So which superhero you would really want to be?
Just any superhero just can't fly. Anyone. Have you ever Googled something you know how to spell?
Yeah, when time the brain is teasing. When you have that brain teaser, like THESD, and you stand up and like, how do I spell D again?
No, something don't look right by the paper.
Nothing is wrong, like you can't spell in or you're illiterate or anything. It's just that your brain just zone out. And you have your one up to spell Hannah and two from.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with the brain.
Some
just
simple little words.
some simple little words.
And I don't.
Have you ever made out in public?
No. I don't have to think about that one. It's just no.
Never.
No.
So how many did you and a heat?
No.
I know you're telling.
Yeah. Definitely no.
Never.
No. Don't even come to me with that.
Eh?
No.
So you know teeth and give one little piece of it?
No.
My wait till you reach up?
Yes.
Funny bed?
Funny bet.
Seriously?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry, but you just have to wait.
Well, you're strict.
I guess you have done it.
Eh? No, I'm doing something.
Listen, I can know when you're lying. I can come right back. I can know when you're lying.
I don't listen now. It's something that's very
Listen,
rude.
I can see. You can't even look.
Those
Keep your
things
mouth.
are very
Listen,
rude.
look. Just look.
Oh my god.
Seems like you're even seeing yourself right now doing it.
I've tried to make out at Quad when Quad did hot. Yeah man, Quad did hot. Means if you want to meet any farmer celebrity in Jamaica, just go to Quad. Everybody check in. Quad was the top club. Yeah man, before Taboo Japan, man. Taboo kind of get that look strength there.
So you're thinking of trying it at Taboo instead, now, right?
Taboo kind of difficult still, because you don't know Taboo. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm going to say, but Quad was more, you can test the parking lot. Although any parking lot things can go on still. Yeah, but I've tried it once, but it never wasn't successful because there were a whole heap of people in that club, you know?
So like you went really close.
Yeah man, really close. But we never carry it out because you don't know, we just feel like people on the side know what going on. Never want to execute it, so.
Yo. Have you ever seen a song out and just messed the lyrics up?
I can't see.
So have you ever seen someone's song and the words you are saying is completely different from what's in the song?
But
Huh?
no, basically, I can't sing, you know, so I practice words. I practice the words that were within the songs.
So are you saying you have never messed
But
the
I
words
don't,
up?
But I don't sing it, but I know the lyrics because one thing I've learned, a lot of persons are moving their mouth. They're not actually saying the words of the song. And really don't know the lyrics. With me, no. I can't sing, so I have to pay attention. I have to listen to what that artist is saying. So a lot of times, a lot of songs that I've listened to, I actually know the lyrics. I know what they're saying.
So you know the lyrics, but you just don't know how to sing the song.
Yeah, I just don't know how to sing the
Because you
song.
messed the song up, right?
Yes, I wouldn't mess it up. I'm
So
telling
you
you.
wouldn't mess the words up, but you messed the song up.
Yes, one roll out with come over and paper roll out. You know I feel that
Oh God.
You know, we just can't sing, man. Have you ever got something stuck in your nose in public?
No.
Like you feel it,
No.
but you're in public.
No.
You've really put your hand up there.
No.
That's why they all see a nigga.
No.
No,
It
sir.
happened to you?
Me not finished with it yet, man. You never that work yet and feel like something in your nose.
No.
Boogie.
No. It's my hobby to just pick my nose, so there's nothing ever stuck in it.
Okay, you always have
You always have to pick my nose. If I get nervous, I pick my nose out.
I'm always, this is just my style. I'm always,
Just clean your nose.
I'm always active. You know what I mean? If I'm even having a random conversation, you know what I mean? Because I don't want nobody to be talking to me. I look on boogie in my nose.
So it helped me to understand, right? So the nose thing you have going on is just to ensure that if something is actually in your nose, they don't feel it.
No, man, I would feel it, or I would know that something because you don't have a mirror.
But it's not like your hand is in your nose, your hand is always like this, or...
Yeah, but alright, let me tell you now. You see, while I'm in the mirror doing the morning chores, I always make sure that my face is really, really clean. Cause you can't be talking to people and your face no well put together. That problem not put yourself with that. You know what I mean? So I always try to set that part of it before me do road. And while driving, I'm looking in the rearview mirror and I try to make sure so my face good. Just to be sure. You know what I mean? I used to run taxi, so you know them clean taxi man there. You know what I mean? Nobody can smell you and try to style you in a way.
Spot your boo-boo.
Yeah, man. So you make sure you say everything up to date.
Have you ever dipped French fries into your milkshake?
French fries?
Yes, like your chips. Just dip your chips in the milkshake. Like, for example, when you go to Burger King.
I never order milkshake, only female.
Only female order milkshake?
Yeah, I only buy a milkshake for female.
So how you eat ice cream?
I didn't know that milkshake.
Ice cream is close to milkshake.
Yeah, but that's close. You know, ice cream is on a cone, it's in a cup.
Milkshake is in a cup.
When you use a spoon and take it out, milkshake is something that you drink.
Well,
choose straw.
Like through a straw, but you can use your spoon to scoop it up too.
I've never seen anybody use spoon.
I do.
Why? It's practically water.
Like, it's just give me the ice cream.
No, I've never encountered with milkshake. I love me a burger, but I've never do the milkshake. That's a female thing.
I get.
So we get the fries. I have to remember so the people that we get ketchup with it. By the time we know to ketchup in a bag of fries them though.
Especially that Burger King fries is so good.
Yeah, man. Wendy's is my favorite though. And I realized that Island Grill is actually doing a great job with their fries too. But Wendy's fries is unbelievable.
Still wear them on Burger King fries.
Burger King, no, my Burger King is on the top farm too, man. On that list.
On the list. Isn't it on the top of the list?
Yeah,
like top.
Top fries them, yeah? Now I'm gonna put that past.
Oh.
You know what I mean? Have you ever met a celebrity?
Well, I've met Nizzle. Yeah, I've met the great Nizzle. Otherwise from that, no.
You haven't met a celebrity?
No, but I want to meet Jason Derulo.
Oh, we're not talking about no foreign celebrity.
In Jamaica?
Yeah, we have a lot of celebrities here. You haven't met none of them?
No.
No Shensia, no Spice, no Cartel, no Beanie Man, no Bunty.
I said no.
Oh my God.
Let it go already. I said no.
Nobody at all?
No, just Nizzle.
Oh yeah, that's always in the house, not you?
Yeah.
You're not gonna know it.
I've met the new artist I was telling you about. Strike. Yes, I've met him.
Well,
but otherwise from that,
he's
is coming.
Yeah, but famous means celebrity.
Not yet, not yet.
I've made a bunch of them because I'm a promoter.
That's true, but I'm always inside.
Yeah, so I've always come in contact with artists, movie stars. Yeah, when I was in Grand Cayman, I meet a lot of movie stars, and enough of them come there. Yeah, man, them love. Trust me, Cayman I eat food and them nah, bro. They will never pop down like Jamaica. Never. Yeah, man, always I go there on top for a whole heap of money people rotate the country. That's what Jamaica needs. A whole heap of rich people for visit the island.
Have you ever peed in the pool?
If the people come down upon you and you in the pool, by the time you left out of the pool, if you go run, go one place and you don't know the bathroom there, and you know, so anyway, pool there, you know, so boy, it's a great, clean environment, you know. You can just go find somewhere and talk about you're going to leak. You know, man.
So you just shot in the pool?
Yeah, because it's so little the water.
Oh my God, Nizzle, I am never going into a pool that you're in. Like, no. I'll put my foot in it, but...
I'm not gonna lie still. I'm not go.
You pee in the pool.
No, I'm not gonna urinate tonight people in pool.
Nizzle, you just said you pee in the pool. You just said it.
I'm not gonna urinate tonight people in pool.
You literally just said.
And I see where you know the thing I run go yeah.
But you just said you're gonna let out the water, so you're just gonna do it in it because the bathroom are far away.
I don't think I'm gonna style the people in pool like that. Let me have my pool. You know what I mean? Let me do it.
Nizzle.
Because of my water.
We know you're not coming out. You're not coming out. Here.
Have you ever sent a text to the wrong person?
Always.
So you know the story there now?
Yes. But then he just always gets into the wrong person.
How?
I don't know.
One time that happened to me still, but...
It's always happening to me. That's why I cheating wouldn't work for me, because next thing I'll be sending the next guy something and he'll probably just go to my boyfriend like, can you imagine how would I explain that?
Oh my
It
God.
always happen.
Eh?
Always, yes. But most of the time when the wrong text is sent to my sister, yes.
Oh yeah, someone. So you don't check the name first before you send the message?
No.
Oh yeah, someone.
Always happen. Does it happen to you?
Yeah, it happened to me a couple of times, but it's not really a habit. Like if I'm not paying attention to the phone, it can happen. But you say all the time?
All the time. Even this week I was texting a customer and the wrong text went to him.
I've tried uncuff already, you know, but it never worked out well because I feel like a fish out of the sea. So me end up vice versa, me end up put a handcuff on a female instead. Instead of she handcuffing me, because
so it's a 50 shade of grey thing. Ooh.
Cause she wanted to handcuff me, you know. Then now me feel like say boy, I don't know her that much. So
you got scared.
Yeah, if you go can't do nothing, can't move and me not depend that. So me ask her if I can do it to her instead. And she say, yeah, sure. Without hesitant. So I end up using the handcuff on her instead of, you know?
Yeah.
I need to work out with her because she couldn't move.
That was what you were trying to avoid.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Because I don't know what's going to happen, you know what I mean? I don't know the game plan in her head. I know that I will never do her anything.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know her that well for she to be coming to handcuff me.
You would have enjoyed it.
Eh?
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to try one day
You
still.
should.
But I want to way off a pulley.
No! The thought of knowing how to pull it's just not fun, you know?
You can't pull it none at all?
No, you can't pull it none at all.
None at all?
No.
No, man, I'm not
That's
depend
not
that. No.
fun.
Me not depend that.
You need a 50 shade type of coffee, just...
No, man, I feel me or something like that, man. We
No,
must tie
men
up
can
uno.
get it too.
No, man, we must tie up uno, man, and we'll just lie down there and wait for him. Yeah?
It's the same way around. You just
So,
tie the man.
me must
and
lie down there and
you
wait for him.
just lie down and
And
wait.
every move where me watch a man and get handcuffed then dead. Cause the woman just draw out one little knife out of somewhere.
Nothing like that.
And stab him up and go.
Nothing like that.
Cause it was a mission, you know? And him thinks he has him out.
Fun. You watch too much movie, man. You watch too much movie. Are you? Yes.
Am I turn?
You watch movie till last, that act movie, yo.
Have you ever dated a female?
No.
Is it that you don't like females?
I don't have nothing against them. I've never dated a female, but a female dated me once.
So you know,
I didn't know she was dating me. I had
Seriously,
no clue until one day she just came and she said she was breaking up with me. I'm like, what?
Was it?
No, Nizzle, for real.
So she alone was dating.
I guess.
So you didn't have you never seen no sign.
No, I know she cared for me a lot, but I still think it was a good friend. I was happy, meet a good friend.
I'm with you, right? So she never put no argument to you, she give you no sign there and look, say boy, I just saw the thing there and me really like you. She just said that go and son and do things for you. And just be a good friend.
Yeah.
But you're not wrong still for not picking up the real kind of really.
She probably did that show me sign, but me never did that pick it up. I think I just good deed, yo. I was so surprised when she said she like let me break her heart.
Oh my.
And she had break up with me. Me like, what she had talk about? I think a joke she had make.
She like you. Yep.
Part of life, yo. Oh yes! Nizzle! Have you ever tasted dog or cat food?
I'm an idiot. I read that post.
So you never tempted to taste
Nah,
cat
man,
food?
me no want no dog food or no cat food. You mad, man. Never breed and I mean, first of all, I don't have any pet.
Oh, I'm tempted to taste my cat food.
No, sir.
Just taste like one of the little.
No, that can't good for your immune system because that was made for
fish.
animals.
It was made from fish and lobsters and shrimp. Yeah, especially the friskies. I've always wanted to taste to see what the cat is so into it. Why?
No, I don't think that's a good idea.
Just one.
No.
I probably just taste it and just don't swallow it.
I don't think that's a good idea. You have the cat food that was made for cat.
But the cat is always eating my food.
Yeah, but him
and it no mash up for him immune system. So why you
animal have immune system?
Of course.
Which part did they?
I think every living organism have immune system.
Nah, man, dog. Nah, they ain't sitting there, man.
They have it.
Nah, sir.
They have. Why you think them get sick at times? Even last week, my cat was sick.
I didn't walk and smell ground.
He had flu.
Flu?
Yes,
Which
he
part
was
the dog fit and
sneezing
get flu
and
from?
coughing. At one point, I even thought it was COVID.
Animal can't catch COVID.
They can.
No.
And I'm not even gonna go there with you.
Have you ever done threesome?
No.
Why? Not the right partner?
Well, definitely the right partner, but it's cheating. It's like cheating right in front of each other's eyes. So
if it's a female and you're a female and you boss your boyfriend, that's cheating. When you boss him,
it's still cheating.
When are you game? Like,
yes.
You don't go behind your back.
Once he's getting it from someone else, it's cheating. No, I can't have that. No.
So you couldn't be in a room and you're watching.
No.
You just start fight the girl?
Yes.
You can't bust up your man face and you invite him. Then you do it a long time.
So Nizzle, you're asking me if I've ever had 3 sons. Have you ever had any sons? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sons?
When we did little, I never have no sense. When we did liquor still, I never have no sense. Like, you know, I mean, the point I live with the hate for you have sense. We say, great. Alright, let's cut all the bullshit. But on a big woman level still, I've done it a couple of times, yeah. And the first time was a great experience because it was two females that basically liked me, and they didn't want. They were actually fighting internally because when I say, I mean, first meet him, the next one I say, but I mean, first start looking, and the argument start amongst themselves. Where me come in now was one night I invited one out. Sorry, next one this side say, boy, she want forward too. It was a university student, you know what I mean? So she said she a forward too. Anyway, we went out. When we go pick up the one that I invited out, that individual tell me, say, boy, her friend a forward because she don't want to stay at the house by herself. So I said, okay, fine. Yeah, so we went to get food by KFC. Then we went to Rock City them time. The Rock City loud. The man Rock City and mash up, man. Yeah, man. Went to Rock City and they just a drink. Like they just sit there.
That sounds so funny.
drink down the rum cream. But say me I wonder why every minute me check my wallet to see how much money I have. Because as they say, as me ask them, you guys need anything else to drink? Yeah, rum cream.
No, say no.
They not say no. Beer rum, and as you give them the rum cream done. So you don't want to look like one little squatters now in a place, you know, because you're in a Rock City, you know, everybody are doing things, flossing and going and things. So you just a canteen and ask them again, the two man drunk as what? You know, I feel you guys should go home now, you know. Them I say they're not ready yet, man. I'm so not drunk, man, and them ask more rum cream, you know. And I said, nah, man, can't get them cat here no more, nothing more for drink, man. So call one youth, no one say, yo, you have to help me carry them cat here going to carry. And he say, yo, Nizzle, you're there, and I say, yo, you have to go help me carry them cat here going to carry that because me can't give them nothing more for drink. I have to carry them more. When the youth help me carry, him carry one, me carry one, and put them in a car and drive go home. Me alone there now, you know, for carry them go in the house, you know, because they ain't drunk, you know, lie down on the seat, you know. Anyway, me carry one first, then me come back for the next, and carry them inside, then the car left up in now, you know. So me I tell them good night now, you know. Them I say me can't leave yet.
You never have no clue.
Me don't have no clue what going. They must say, yo, you can't leave yet. You can't leave us like this. And me say, I'm going to lock up the car and come and run, go lock up the car, park the car properly.
You don't have to run it?
What?
Why you don't run?
Then they don't say they don't want me to leave yet.
But they just needed your company. What do you mean?
So they go in and so look shots in there, you know. Two little shots in there, man, with beer pretty leg in there, man, and nice up.
So like you did not think about you because you can't leave you.
No, me that think about the one when me did I look for say alright, man, I love to get some choppings, you know what I mean? I love to get a knock off of it. So nah, I really pray nothing to say. I told them really hard for me. As I was saying at first, it was an internal war going on between the two of them. Me don't know nothing about it. I mean I tell you say, when me park the car and go back down in our house, you know, the two man naked, you know. The two man naked as they them back with all the light turn on. You have to turn off the light for me. Oh, surprise, you know.
Good.
Me just bust the room door, you know, man, and I let me buck up in there, you know.
Yeah.
Two women lying up on the bed naked as.
Oh my God.
And they start doing thing. Turn up by the door, you see me, you know.
I can only imagine.
Stun idiot. When they ask me my name, I don't know it.
Oh my God.
Yeah, man, and the woman them set up bop and go on with a bag of things for the big, you know, say morning alone, make me turn idiot, you know. One lady sitting and go on the bed and the things are going and, you know, me start to feel some type of way, you know.
I understand.
Start take off my clothes. Nobody invite
you.
Nobody invite me over there. My hand up at me, turn up, I do it. My hand up.
Oh my God.
The one with me like now, where a feature and things, she just call me. Yeah,
And she have to call
woman
you,
him
yeah.
sober now, you know. Woman him no drunk again, you know. God, plan out it. Put me in a miggle. That was a nightmare, I tell you, I'll never forget it. Now I'm calling her name, yeah. I'm gonna big up on the damn self.
Ray Ashensia representing for Nizzle Entertainment.